So up until now, I've known the internet to be a happy place, full of laughter, love, and joy. Well, a little bit of that disappeared today after doing research for this list. There's some freaky websites out there, you guys. And I guess since you clicked this video, I assume you want to learn about them. So I'm gonna tell you. Hey YouTube, I'm Court McGinley and welcome back to the most amazing top 5. Before we get started, I want to know, what is the site you visit the most? Let me know your answers down in the comments. Also, I'm gonna start answering questions and comments, so make sure you visit the comment section before leaving this video. Alright guys, let's get started on our list of top 5 mysterious websites you should never visit. Coming in our number 5 spot, the death clock. Yeah, unless you want to know exactly when you're going to die, then don't go to this site. Yeah, this just really freaks me out. I know chances are it's just BS, but it would just put me in a panic until the day I'm supposedly gonna die rolled around. So on this site, you first need to answer some questions such as your date of birth, sex, BMI, smoking habits, etc. After doing this, the site will tell you the exact day the internet believes that you're gonna die, right down to the very last second. I would say don't do this because it's just going to mess with your head. But on the bright side, there have been no recorded deaths that matched up with this site. That we know of anyway. Coming in at number 4, Rate My Poo. Yeah, this is an actual site. Just save yourself from the grossness and do not go on this site. Trust me, you don't want to go to that side of the internet. It's a very scary place. So this site is just what the name suggests. People go to the site, post pictures of their poo, and then other people view those pictures and rate them. And then to top that all off, people tell you what they believe your poo is trying to say to you. It's just something you should go your whole life without looking at. Coming in at number 3, Joy of Satan. This site is dedicated to the religion of Satanism. Satanism is a belief system that is based off of a group of ideological and philosophical beliefs based on Satan. The group was formed in 1966. The site contains endless amounts of information on the religion, including their beliefs, origins, details about Lucifer, and even how to become a Satanist. But the most unsettling part of all of this is the manner in which the site tries to rig visitors into joining the religion. The religion tends to focus on teens and kids as they encourage them to join Hell's army and to summon demons from hell. They use the fact that children and teens are impressionable and rebellious to their advantage, and they suck them in. Coming at number 2, Bestgore. So this site is all about controversial and disturbing images. So disturbing that the site's founder, Mark Marek, actually went to jail. This site is a shock site. The main aim is to, you guessed it, shock its users. This site is home to the most disturbing videos you can imagine. Just to give you an idea, some of the top videos are of beheadings and dismemberment. The scariest part about all of this is that these are not made up videos. They are highly violent videos, photos, and real life news stories. Nothing on this site is pretend or made up. And in at number 1, Human Leather. This has to be one of the most messed up sites I have ever heard of in my life. Just the name alone tells you it's not gonna end well. So unfortunately, this name of the site is pretty legit. This is a British sales website that sells products that have been manufactured from human skin. Apparently human skin resembles leather, so someone thought it would be a good idea to make products such as belts, wallets, shoes, and bags. Belts being the best seller. These products have been carved from actual human skin. The site says that human leather is produced from skin sourced from everyday normal people. These people have left their skin to the manufacturers prior to their death. Yes, apparently people have actually agreed to donate their skin to be made into these products. Who would actually be able to skin a dead person and make their skin into products every single day? But more importantly, who would want to buy those products? It's a messed up world out there. And there you have it, that's a list of the top 5 mysterious websites you should never visit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, at the same time, sorry for opening your world to all these dark sites out there. I promise the next list will be a less creepy one. As always, show some love, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.